Hello, this is Amir and I'm a professional DevOps engineer. I'll be your trainer for this course. Getting started with the Kubernetes is not an easy task. You can reach out to me using comment section if you are stuck somewhere in the course. Setting up Kubernetes cluster for the first time can be hard, but once you have learned the initial steps, it will be easier and you will strengthen your knowledge by learning all the details of Kubernetes. This is the course overview that will be covered in this course. As you can see, there's a lot that will be covered in this course. Let me first talk about introduction. What are the containers and what is Kubernetes? I will guide you step by step on your desktop or on the cloud. And then once you have cluster set up, we will start building containers. We will run the first app on Kubernetes, then you will learn basics of Kubernetes, which you need to know. The node architecture, how to scale, how to use deployments, services, health checks, the life cycles of the pod, and how to use secrets in your application. Also, I'll show you how to use web UI, and then we'll start a bit more advanced topics to talk about service discovery, how to use config files and ingress, which is also a load balancer. External DNS, you will also learn about volumes, pod presets, stateful sets, daemon sets, monitoring, auto-scaling, node affinity, anti-affinity. We will cover operators which can give you extra functionality in Kubernetes. And then I will cover administration. You will learn about the master services, how to set up quotas and limits, namespaces, user management, and how to limit your users using role-based access control. You will learn about networking, node maintenance, high availability, and TLS on your load balancer. Then we will go ahead to very interesting topic, which is packaging. So you can run your applications on Kubernetes. First, I will introduce you to Helm and how to create Helm charts to package your applications. And then we'll go ahead to set up Helm repository to store the Helm charts. Then I'll guide you how to build and deploy the applications using Helm and Jenkins. I have added some extras that will help you to understand more about Kubernetes. kubeadm if you want to set up on-prem cluster and TLS certificates with Cert Manager. This will allow you to use Let's Encrypt to add certificates to your applications. Course objectives. After taking this course, you would be able to understand, deploy, and use Kubernetes. You would be able to understand containerization and run those containers on Kubernetes. To be able to deploy Kubernetes on your desktop, on-prem, and on cloud. You would be able to run stateless and stateful applications on Kubernetes. You will be able to administrate Kubernetes. You will be able to package and deploy applications using Helm, and this is very important to me. Thank you.